Welcome to Ainadamar. I wanted to bring to our Ainadamar dance, music, poetry. Inside the music we have classical and folk songs and flamenco songs. We have the guitar from flamenco, we have the cajon, we have the claps, and I wanted to bring this to the stage, this blood, this passion, through the music, through the voices. What I want is that the audience will not recognize who is dancer on the stage, who is singer, who is acting. Everybody is singing, dancing, acting, and talking and telling to the audience the story of Lorca and Margarita Xirgu. Our Ainadamar is about death. It's about love, it's about lust, and it's so intense. It's 80 minutes without intermission. It's one journey. It's like to take a train and have something very intense and strong inside. Come, this is our Ainadamar.